Dear students, our today's topic is the difference between diet, drug, and medicine. There are two things. One is the definition, and the other is characteristics. So, if we look into the definition of diet are the biological substances required for growth and proper function of our body. So, diet is always in biological nature. They are produced naturally in our environment, in our universe, and these are the biological substances which our body requires. Whereas drugs are the substances which alter the function of our body. For example, caffeine, that is CNS stimulant or narcotics. So drugs are not biological substances and which are not required for the growth or proper function of body. These are the substances which can alter the function of body either in positive manner or in negative manner. And the medicines are the substances which are used to treat or prevent any disease advised by a doctor. So, medicines are only used when we want to treat or prevent any disease, and these are advised by a doctor. So, these are the definitions of diet, drug, and medicine. Now, we will look into the characteristics of diet, drug, and medicine. Diet is the basic necessity of our life, and any deficiency may lead to several diseases. For example, we require protein, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins. So these are the diets which our life is required, uh, which is required for our life. And the deficiency of any type of diet, for example, protein, minerals, carbohydrates, or fats, may lead to several diseases. Whereas drugs are not essential need of our body. There is no need of drugs in healthy status. Also, all drugs are medicines. All the drugs are declared as medicine, but medicines are only required just to restore health in case of any ailment, and all medicines are not drugs because drugs can produce positive or negative effects, whereas medicine are mostly used only for beneficial purpose and just to treat any ailment. In case of diet, our body demands for diet when our energy level goes down. For example, if there is any lack of energy, our body will naturally demand for certain diet. But in case of drugs, okay, our body does not demand any type of drug in case our energy level goes down. So, diet is naturally demanded by our body, but the drugs are not naturally a demand of our body. Medicines may be used for energy restoration, but they are not the pure medicines, pure diets. For example, high calorie diets, drips, energy drinks, they are used for energy restorations, but they are not biological substances. These are produced in different pharmaceutical factories or other resources. Diet does not produce any harmful effect in essential quantity. For example, if we are taking diet in essential quantities, diet will not produce any harmful effects. Only when we take in essential quantities. But if there is a change in essential quantity, for example, we take a lot of diet or we take less quantity in diet, that may lead to certain complications. But if we take diet in essential quantity, it will not lead to any harmful effects. Whereas drugs may produce positive or negative effects. All drugs are not safe. For example, there are certain drugs For example, narcotics. Okay, they have certain effects, but these narcotics are not safe for everyone. We cannot use it as diet. Okay. In case of medicines, medicines are mostly with positive effects and are safe to use. For example, OTC medicine, over the counter medicines like paracetamol, aspirin, etc. So these are the medicines which are mainly with positive effects and which have very less or very few or very rare harmful effects. Diet does not contain any harmful ingredients, hence is consumable for all. All the diets are safe and all the ingredients are safe. That's why all age group including children, adults, male, female, old age, young age, all can take diet, okay, with maximum benefits. Whereas the effect of drugs vary depending upon quantity and frequency. And for example, in case of heroin, that may lead to death in case of kids. If kids start taking heroin, that may lead to the death of the kids. So drugs are not safe. Their effects vary and all age groups cannot take drugs. The effects and the side effects, indications, contraindications, doses, etc. in case of medicines, these all things are well defined in case of medicines, and that's why doctors can advise medicines as per their profile, as per their usage and the dosage. They can select the age group, the gender group, and the other things. Diet is consumed on daily basis for maintenance of our health. So diet is the need on daily basis. We use diet on daily basis just to maintain our health. We cannot take diet off and on, okay, as per our wish. So diet is the need of our body on daily basis, whereas drugs are used to alter the function of our body. For example, if we need neurosuppressants, just to if we want to suppress our nervous system, then we use neurosuppressants. And if we want to activate our nervous system, then we use neuroactivators. So drugs are used just to alter the function of body. Okay. Medicines may be used as supporting or preventing agent for general or specific diseases. Okay. Whereas medicines are mostly used just to cure, treat, support, prevent general and specific diseases. For example, if we need antibiotics, we will take antibiotics. If we need any other medicine, painkiller, then we will need painkiller medicine. So these medicines are supporting or preventing agents. Diet is always beneficial for regulation of body functions. So diet is always beneficial. So diet has very less harmful effects, and diet is required for the regulation of body functions. If we don't take diet on regular basis, we will not get beneficial effects of the diet, and our body functions will not properly function, and their regulation will be affected by malnutrition. Whereas drugs may be used for harmful or beneficial effects. For example, like in case of poisons, poisons are used to kill dangerous elements. For example, there are certain drugs which are not safe for everyone. For example, hypnotics, sleep-inducing agents. These drugs are required only in less quantity, and if we take in larger quantity, or if someone wants to suicide, that may take a lot of drugs or a lot of sleep-inducing pills just to kill himself or herself. Whereas medicines are mainly used for beneficial and cure purpose. Okay, so medicine are mostly safe, and these are used only for the beneficial purpose, not for the harmful purposes. Diet produces energy to keep core body temperature. uh, you know, there is a standard body temperature that is 37 degrees centigrade, and our body has to keep this temperature 37 degree all the times. Okay, so diet helps us in keeping this standard temperature, and if we don't take diet properly, that temperature may go down. For example, if it goes down, there are chances that the blood circulation may be affected, and our peripheral parts of the body will not get blood or nutrition, and that may lead to different complications. Whereas drugs are not used as energy producing substances, due to different type of risks. For example, alcohol is mainly used as the for the maintenance of our body temperature, but alcohol is not supposed to be used as diet, because there are certain risks which alcohol will we take in larger quantity. It will lead to kidney failure or liver failure or other complications. Whereas medicines may be used as energy producing substances for specific conditions. There are certain conditions, or there are specific conditions where we can use certain medicines as energy producing agents. There are certain energy diets, there are certain energy drinks which are used as the energy producing or for the regulation of temperature in our body. Diet consumed becomes part of our body and is accumulated for longer duration of time. So whenever we take diet, it produces its benefit effects, and the remaining parts are accumulated in our body. The extra diet is stored in different parts of the body, in liver, in adipose tissues, and the other parts of the body. So it becomes the part of our body. Whereas drugs, after producing their effects, are excreted from body and do not become part of our body. But there are certain drugs which have longer half life and which are accumulated in our body, but the drugs have certain half life. After that time period, they are excreted from our body and does not become part of our body. There are specific medicines which are used to treat specific type of diseases. All the medicines are not supposed to produce all types of effects. So the specific medicines have specific type of their effects, and that's why these medicines are used only for specific type of diseases. For example, painkiller are used just as painkiller, antibiotics are used as antibiotic, but not all the conditions. In all conditions, we take antibiotics or we take painkillers or allergies or other products. Different individuals need different types and quantity of diet. For example, a young infant needs a different type of diet, okay, mostly the liquid type of diets, but adults, school going children's, male, female, old age, young age. So the need of the quantity and types of the diet is different for different individuals. Not all the diets are used for all types of age groups or for all types of genders. Same drugs are used in all age groups and in all conditions for same purpose. For example, hypnotic is a drug, and if anybody, either is male, female, young or old, is having any trouble with sleep, okay, he she may have hypnotics, sleep-inducing pills. So the drugs are same drugs are used for same purpose and in all age groups. Same medicines are not used in all age groups and in all conditions for same purpose. For example, there are certain medicines which we cannot prescribe to all age groups or to all genders. For example, in case of hormones, for example, estrogen and progesterones are mostly prescribed to females, whereas testosterone is mostly prescribed to males. So we cannot give testosterone to female or estrogen to male, or for example, in case of antivirals, for example, tablets, these tablets are not very much safe in children. So there are certain conditions, okay, where we have to choose the medicine according to the need of the patient. Diet is consumed for personal satisfaction and may be consumed without any reason or need. So, most of the time, or mostly, we take diet as habit for our personal satisfaction, for just entertainment. We go to dinner, to restaurants, and just that is our for our personal satisfaction, for entertainment, for our own pleasure. So, diet is consumed for personal satisfaction, whereas drugs may lead to habituation or dependency. We cannot uh, take drugs for personal satisfaction, or we cannot take drugs for just to please ourselves. So, if we take drugs without any reason, drugs may lead to habituation and dependency. For example, in case of heroin or cocaine, if we take it unnecessarily, we may lead to habituation. Medicines have less chances of habituation or dependency. Mostly medicines are safe, and there are less chances of getting dependency or drug accumulation or habituations. So these are the certain characteristics of diet, drug, and medicine. So our today's topic is closed. If you have any specific questions, you can ask me anytime. Thank you so much.